So there are a few symbols or logos when they get stamped onto an earbuds box that really gets me excited, and that includes Knowles, aptx adaptive, and high-res audio. And when earbuds or headphones come with this tag, it's usually quite good news.
Out of my own head where everything makes sense. Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on to your loss. What do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on.
Today we're taking a look at Haylow's earbuds that has 2 out of 3 of these logos here, and the shocking part is the price that they sell these earbuds in is super low. So will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Haylou W1. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Haylou W1. So the W1 here that we have is sent over to me from Haylou for review, and it's honestly one earbud that I'm really looking forward to. Great specs, great technology, all at a very good price. These earbuds retails for about 36 US, and that's about 150 Malaysian ringgit, and it's honestly a super well priced earbuds considering how they perform. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, I'll leave some of my links in the description below. So the W1 doesn't come with the highest quality materials out of the box, and the case itself is made of a hard plastic, very similar to most Haylou earbuds over the years. So in my experience, these do scratch up pretty easily. And on top of the case, you get the Haylou branding there, very nice thin font, typical to Haylou styling here. And at the back of the case, you get the Type-C charging port to charge up your earbuds, and once you plug it in, the 3 LEDs in the front will light up to tell you the amount of battery percentage of the case. The lid is also not the most flattering part of the case. It's got quite a thin plastic going on here and also doesn't have any friction hinge to hold the lid up, so it does slam shut on you when you tilt them around. And inside the case is where you see the earbuds laying flat inside very nicely, and the earbuds is where I think the build quality actually improves. At the front part here, you get a very nice shiny plastic stem with the Haylou branding there, especially in this blue color, looks really nice. And there's also an LED on the stem itself, but all LED action goes away once you connect them to your phone and it doesn't annoy anyone. At the tip of the earbuds, things are simpler, so you're not getting any in-ear sensors here, and the shape of the earbuds is very AirPods Pro style, so you know that these earbuds will sit very comfortably in your ears. So apart from those stylings, they are actually a very standard pair of in-ear earbuds, but hang in there because we're not at the best part yet. So the battery performance of the W1 is pretty mediocre and could be better considering that this is running the latest Qualcomm chipset. You get 6 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you an additional 20 hours of juice. There's also no fast charging here, so it takes about 2 hours to charge up the earbuds and 3 hours for the case. Specs of the W1 is very modern definitely, and comes with Qualcomm's latest QCC3040 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2, which supports aptx adaptive, aptx, AAC, and SBC audio codecs, so you're getting all the codecs supported for most of your streaming services needs. You're also getting an IPX4 water resistant rating, so you're getting pretty basic water resistant rating here. So sweating, gym use, and even slight water splashes are okay with these earbuds. Definitely don't use them under the rain, and also don't submerge these earbuds. The earbuds also don't support a truly seamless mono and stereo mode. You can still use them independently, however when you put either side back into the case, the other side will pause and you gotta press play again to continue your media, which is kinda odd. Also from my test, I've tried connecting these to the Haylou app, but it doesn't seem to connect, so I suppose these may not be supported by the app at this time. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So the sound quality on the W1 is where it shines, and damn, these earbuds sound so good, especially considering how budget these earbuds are. I'm really tempted to just call it one of the best sounding budget earbuds I've listened to, and the W1 comes with dual drivers, so you're getting the Knowles balanced armature drivers to give you that super crisp and clean signal, and also comes with a metal composite dynamic driver to manage all the bass effects. Couple those drivers with aptx adaptive and you're really not shortchanged here at all. Bass is full and deep and really gives you that good thump when listening to music with more bass emphasis, but because of the split drivers, no mids and highs are sacrificed here and you're getting perfect sounding mids and highs. Vocals on this are also very present without feeling pushed backwards, so if your music has a lot of vocal emphasis, these earbuds works absolutely well. So this is a test to see if the Haylou W1 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Since these are 5.2 earbuds, you're not going to have any issues with latency, especially with movies and videos, but the lack of a dedicated gaming mode does show quite obviously with these earbuds. With games like PUBG, you can definitely tell the sound lags behind gunshots, so if you are very competitive with mobile gaming, these may not be the best latency earbuds for you. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So the controls on the W1 are a little bit basic, so you're getting most controls but you won't be getting volume controls here. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. And to skip tracks forward, tap twice on the right earbuds and tap twice on the left earbuds to skip backwards. To call your assistant, tap 3 times on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistance. And the earbuds also have a feedback audio to let you know how many times that you have pressed your earbuds, so you know that it registered your clicks, so that's pretty cool. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Haylou W1. So I honestly think that this is a super solid pair of earbuds, ignoring the more basic build quality, and if you just want to enjoy great sounding earbuds at a budget friendly price, definitely check out the Haylou W1. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.